Today, we're excited to introduce the Ralbay Gold Bathroom Vanity Lights, a stunning addition to any modern bathroom. This elegant fixture features 3 lights with an E26 US standard socket, compatible with a variety of bulbs, including LED, halogen, and incandescent, up to 60 watts. Measuring 23.6 inches in length and extending 7.3 inches from the wall, it boasts a high-quality bright gold finish and premium transparent crystal lampshades that add a touch of luxury to your space. Installation is a breeze with its hardwired design and USA standard installation backplate, allowing you to easily mount it on your electric box and connect directly to the reserved wire. Safety is a top priority, as this fixture is all-listed, ensuring peace of mind while enhancing your bathroom's aesthetic. Plus, the Ralbay team is committed to providing top-notch after-sales service, ready to assist with any questions or concerns. Elevate your bathroom decor with this exquisite vanity light and enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.